So material science and engineering. Okay. So what is material science? So material science involves the investigation of relationship that exists between structures and properties of material. So what we need to know first, what is properties and what is structure. Okay, because the material science is the combination of, and you can say is a relationship between these two, structure and properties, right? The structure and properties. So we need to know what is the structure and what properties. Then we will come to this particular definition. What is the material science? Okay. So structure. What is the structure? So structure of a material usually relates to the arrangement of its internal, as you okay, its internal components. As you know that what is the components? Okay, I have dealt with that all. So subatomic structures involves electrons within the individual atoms and interaction with their nuclei. Nuclei means nucleus. Okay, the different. I mean, it's just a plural. On an atom level, structure encompasses the organizations of atoms or molecules relative to one another. Okay, so you got the idea. I mean, means structure means basically how they are arranged, the how they the atoms of different or same molecules have arranged in their you know formation. Okay, how they have formed. Got it. So this is known as structure.